Okay, la movera, lavadora, la leche fría no será.
Okay.
So la movera, lavadora
La,
to repair the leche, temporary repair. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna install. Maybe I needed some correction there.
I know.
My friend, little by little, we're gonna learn. La movera.
muévete, muévete.
Lavadora. Vámonos.
Vámonos, muévete. The same. Muévete.
Same? Yeah?
Muévete.
Así.
Vámonos.
Muévete.
Muévete. Muévete.
Muévete.
Ajá. Muévete, same de mover.
Yeah. Muévete.
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 Ese es for the man.
Muévete. Yeah?
Yeah, for the man is, hey, muévete.
Muévete.
Yeah,
Muévete.
muévete. Muévete, Toño.
All right, so now we're gonna disconnect the leche and the
La llave
llave.
del agua fría no cierra.
The agua fría
No
no
cierra.
cierra.
Out.
At first, I can't remember left for some reason. All of a sudden, I know it, but
I know.
man, it's la leche and is right, and the izquierda.
Izquierda.
Okay. So I'm gonna disconnect the izquierda, and then we're gonna connect the fría la leche to the
Izquierda.
izquierda.
Caliente.
Yeah, caliente. Okay, so channel locks. The pinches.
Pinzas.
The pinches.
Pinzas.
Pinches. Okay.
Pinzas.
All right. Someday, gotta get it. Little by little. So once
Little by
again,
little. I know.
if you struggle in learning, take heart,
slow,
because
yeah.
you're not alone. Little by little, you get it. Just keep trying. Don't give up. Nice channel locks.
I know, it's Antonio.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Antonio.
It's really actually locks in.
Yeah.
You have to push it to undo
yeah,
the lock.
yeah.
To slide.
Uh-huh.
Very nice.
It's very nice. This is
Yeah.
security for no.
Vice grips.
No.
Yeah.
Me
That's
estorba.
great.
Porros.
The
Te
pinches.
aguantas. Te aguantas.
Yeah.
Sí. Ahorita nomás te conecta el agua y ya.
Very nice. So we're just going to disconnect this hot side, which is caliente, and it's izquierda caliente, and then we're going to connect the cold side, which is the fría leche. So we're getting a disconnect from the washing machine itself over here, and we just need the cold side hose, which is the upper one, arriba.
Arriba.
Okay, and then we're going to connect it to the left side, which is the izquierda caliente. Now I'm not disconnecting the bottom one, which is the abajo caliente. Again, trying to practice to learn. I got a long way to go. It's a long road, but it's fun. So my friend is pinching off the hose here so that we can disconnect this without a flood, and going to carefully switch and then connect to this side, because this one the water would not shut off. So the agua no cierra, and that's the fría agua.
No cierra.
The no cierra. The agua no cierra. La leche. Connecting it to the izquierda. Leche izquierda. Now for me, I'm trying to learn. I'm kind of associating the words. I'm the way I'm remembering the left side. It's the Izquierda is kind of thinking, oh, it's scary. It's scary. It's
scary.
scary. So that's how I'm
Yeah.
remembering. So it's a trick for your mind to remember is to try to find something that you know that you can associate it with. So here we go. Oh, I need the channel lock pinches. And it's leaking a little bit.
Pinzas.
Pintas.
Pin.
Pin.
Sas.
Sas. Pinzas.
Pinzas.
Oh, see? Correction is good.
I'm sorry,
nothing
pero-
easy, but no, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You.
so-
Please
Pi-
correct me.
pinches.
Let me know that the camera's not aiming the right way. All right. Anyway, so we've got the La Recha connected to the Izquierda, and that's the Fria connected to the Caliente. How do you say connected to? Connected.
Puede ser conectado.
Connected?
Conected.
Oh, good.
Same.
That one's easy.
Same, yeah. Connected.
All right.
Conectado.
Cool. Now we can move out the machine. It'll be ready for the new machine. These are all getting replaced, so that's why you're doing the temporary repair. So now we are moving the lavadora, and moving is, I forget the word for moving. Mover. Mover the lavadora. Yeah. It's fun. Little by little. Gonna learn. I'll be an expert at explaining washing machines. That's about it. I won't know much else yet. But little by little. Lavadora. Lavadora. Dishwashers lava platos. All right.